There's a big difference from looking at a film. All right?
APAIT Health Center works very, 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 very hard to help people feel their very best. Some of those residents in the area that we serve live below poverty level.
That's right. And in order for APAIT Health Center to do its work, it requires support in the public and in the private arena as well.
And tonight we are here to honor a company that is synonymous with health and well-being, a company every one of us knows. They're in our medicine cabinet. Ladies and gentlemen, we're here to honor Johnson & Johnson.
And to present our next award, please welcome Board President of the Special Service Group, John Hickman, and former APAIT board member Alice Monk of Asian Americans and Pacific Islanders in Wellington.
Community service to everybody. Thank you very much. For over 120 years, Johnson & Johnson has been a leader in health and wellness. I don't know about you, Alice, but Johnson & Johnson I see in my medicine cabinet and around my house all the time. Thanks, John. Me too. Further, they have funded programs to help the environment, care for the sick, and provide corporate leadership across the globe. Johnson & Johnson has been a decade-long partner of APAIT Health Center. They funded our case management program for people living with AIDS, followed by a seed grant to fund our landmark Women's Health Research Project for monolingual Chinese women working in massage parlors in San Diego Valley.
And most recently, APAIT Health Center's leadership benefited from Johnson & Johnson's Healthcare Executive Program in partnership with the UCLA Anderson School of Management.
To accept our Corporate Leadership Award, please welcome Sarah Smith and Brian Lou, accepting from Johnson & Johnson's Janssen Pharmaceutical affiliate.
Thank you so much. It's a great